So two new massive bits of functionality in Commerce Manager. One being a brand new hierarchy management interface. Now, what you're allowed to do here is actually assign multiple nodes to multiple products. We actually support up to 1,000 products, and there's almost as many nodes as you want. We're yet to break that number yet, but that's not an offer for you to go and try it. But the other thing as well, the new filtering capabilities that go hand in hand with that. So you've never been able to do this before. So you can now actually filter your product list using templates or flows. And you're also allowed to stack multiple filters at once. So here's everything here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do first is show the new filtering capabilities. So as you're all very aware, you've got this search capability right here. Now, if you hit this little button on the right-hand side, you can see all the list of attributes that you weren't able to filter on previously in Commerce Manager. Just so for an example here, I'm going to do name, start with the, because I have a lot of products for that, and apply that filter. You'll see that list change. But what I can do is I can then go ahead and click into this list again. I'm going to go SKU. I have a bunch of t-shirts in here, which start with TPOS, hit enter, and you'll see all that list update as I go along. And you can add all the way up a combination of 10 filters. So you can get pretty extensive with that as well. And that's sort of it for the product filtering. So what I can do now, using these product filters, I can assign all these products to as many nodes as I want. So all I need to do is select all, hit this little arrow here, assign to nodes, which will bring in that hierarchy view in the foreground. And then I can go ahead and navigate through my structure. In this case, I want to assign them to my men's t-shirts. I'm going to click this little box here, hit next, get a little confirmation to say that I'm about to assign 24 products to the t-shirts node, hit confirm, and boom, all of those are in there. You'll have the ability quite soon to actually select multiple nodes. So right now, the component used doesn't allow for that, but soon you'll be able to select multiple ones as you go along as well to allow you to do all of that in one simple call. And what you can also do is I'm going to go through and navigate through. So I'm going to deselect all of these. And what I can do to confirm that all of those products that went into those nodes, I can go ahead and navigate through my hierarchies. Click this little eye icon here, and you'll see that product list updates with all the products that I've assigned to it. And if I want to go back to the master product list, all I need to do is click this button here. Oh, I can click the eye icon again. But what we'll do is we'll make sure that the woman t-shirts node has got all those products. And it does. Everything's in there. So this was a major pain point for Serena and Lily because they didn't like the way everything was sort of disconnected from between the configuration screen and the products. Obviously, a lot of our customers use the hierarchies of nodes as a way of sort of categorizing, or they see it as a category tree. So the fact that those were kind of divided and sort of disconnected from each other meant it was quite confusing for their merchandisers. So this is our first step in sort of improving that workflow between the two services. And the feedback I've had has been quite positive so far.